Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Hunt County in north-central Texas, northwestern Hopkins County in north-central Texas, southwestern Delta County in north-central Texas, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Cumbie, or near Commerce, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Commerce, Cumbie, and Campbell. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 105 and 117. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.